way it's doing.
No.
So thank you so much for being here. Now you have the boring part, and I got a chance to share with you the exciting part. Science is always boring, is it not? But you will agree that we have some great products, right? We have some great products that you can I'm telling you how less of me, and I'm healthy, and I am wealthy, and I'm excited. This product not only gives me my wealth, my health back, but it has redefined wealth for me, and it has given me and continues to give me life experiences that I used to only watch on soap operas, that I used to read in my many novels about. Those are the life experiences that I now have because of this company, because of these products. And so forgive me if I'm a little bit excited about it, okay? But it has completely changed my life and the life of my family. And if you allow us, your life, your health, and your prosperity, because that's who we are as a company. Now, having heard a little bit about the science and the impact of a product on our community, would you agree that it's time for us to switch gears and talk about why you're really here? Because you're here to hear about the good products, right? But you're also here to hear about the money, isn't that right? Ladies and gentlemen, the money. Do I have your permission to talk about the money and only the money?
Yes.
So unfortunately, you're going to remember me this evening if you're meeting me for the first time as a lady who came to the present room and never said one word about the product. All she talked about was money. But somebody else did that. So all my job is this evening is to talk about the money. Is that okay?
Yes.
So here we go. Come in on the wall. Okay. How do we grow as a company? We grow by word of mouth. Delton said it, he brought me out, that I was single-handedly responsible for all of you being here. Do you really believe that? How do those of you who know me personally? Before Visalus, you knew me personally. Okay, three people. Okay, three people knew me personally before Visalus. Was I responsible for you being here today personally? No. Guess what? The other person is my husband. He has to be here whether he likes it or not. So the rest of you are here because I told somebody who told somebody who told somebody else who told you. Do you see that? That's how it works. So there's no one of us who needs to know everybody. Do you see my point? All we need to do is to know a few people who know a few more people who know a few more people who know a few more people, and that's how Visalus grows. Is that you think that's fair? That's how we grow. And guess what? As human beings, we keep telling people about our experiences anyway. Is there anybody who's here for the first time on this property? This is the first time you're coming to Eden Garden. You like the grounds, don't you? You would recommend to somebody for a wedding, would you not? It's very pretty, isn't it? Guess what? If you did that, Eden Gardens would not give you a referral bonus. But you would recommend it anyways, would you not? Ladies and gentlemen, as human beings, as social beings, that's what we do. We have an experience, we like it, we tell our friends about it. That's what we do, whether we get paid or not. This is what I learned from one of the masters of business out in Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn says there are two types of networkers in the world. There's one set that gets paid and there's one set that does not get paid. You have a choice. Which would you rather be? You would rather get paid, would you not? Okay, we're blocking, guys. We're blocking. Lord have mercy, stuff that gives stuff how to people about the same thing we need in the Bible for the ministry. Your license number is 5467ER and 4892SE. Can I hear? Well, you move careful. Who's the other person? Is that are you the other person? Do you move the truck yet?
It is a car. Maybe it's a lady first.
Okay. So, back to the business. Word of mouth one of the most effective ways, if not the most effective way to get our products to market. Would you agree? It's one of the most effective ways. You ever see doctors, it's not a decent that people like doctors have started to advertise, right? Yet they have huge practices. Because they have one satisfied patient who tells another satisfied, you know who thrives on that pediatrician? My baby is sick. And this pediatrician makes my baby better. Everybody that I know must take their baby where? To that pediatrician, isn't that right? That's how we are. That's how we're made up. By self-efficacy, be a networker. Tell your friends about our products once you have a good experience on it, and we'll pay you handsomely to do it. So I get asked the question, why didn't they just put it on an infomercial if the products are as good as they are and pay CNN $1 million for a 15-second commercial during the Olympics and sell 10 products? No, instead they pay us that $1 million per second for a 15-second slot, ladies and gentlemen, and we take the products to market. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Do you think if the products are as good as we think, as we just shared with you that they are, would you agree that it is possible for you to share with 5 people? Yes. Would you agree that if you could make an additional $500 a month, is there anybody in the room who's family, whose finances, whose financial position would be significantly impacted by $500 per month every month right now on top of what you're doing? Would you agree? Because I showed you, if I showed you how to make $500 per month, you would be interested, right?
Yes.
Do you think you could find 5 people who would be interested in making an additional $500 a month? That's how this business grows. We are not looking for those persons who are not interested in making more money. We are looking for those persons who are A, interested in their health, and B, interested in making an additional $500 per month. Now I just share with you quickly how I got involved. Ladies and gentlemen, I got involved because my sister promised me that if I told everybody that I knew about this product, I would make $125 a month to pay for my product. That's why I got involved. That was my buy-in. $125 a month. And then I learned some other secrets, which we're going to share with you afterwards. We're going to share with you before I leave to pack the flight to go to Florida so I can be in Orange County on Tuesday. Ladies and gentlemen, this business goes by word of mouth advertising. And all you need to do is to start opening your mouth. Here's a 5-year hypothetical. 5-year hypothetical. If I promised you $25,000 a month after 5 years, and I told you today exactly what you needed to do so that in 5 years you would be earning $25,000 a month, would you do it?
Yes.
Do you promise?
Yes.
Not me, but do you promise yourself?
Yes.
Because